So after masking the last, you draw your center line. See the center line. So after drawing the center line, you take a measurement on your instep, 1 inch, 1 inch on the instep, and also you measure your counterpoint, 2.2 inch, 2.2 inch. That is the counterpoint. And then we take the drawing from here and also from the counter point. So after that, you take another measurement from that 1 inch measurement. You take 0.7 inch, 0.7 inch. That is the width of the pattern. Then you take it down. Remember, from here down here is 3 inch for female last. So you bring it down to that measurement. And then you take another measurement from your counterpoint. You take same measurement, 0.7 inch, and then you take another 0.7 inch here so that you have a uniform strap. Take it from there. Let's draw our counter line first. So this is our counter line. So now we start the drawing from the second measurement. So now we measure from here down here, 1 inch. So we take 1 inch measurement from here. And then we take this one down to that measurement. Take it down to the measurement. So you can see we are almost done with the drawing. The next thing now is to cut out the pattern and then develop it. So you can see that. So let's cut it out now. Remember, this is where we are going to cut from. This is where we are going to cut from. This place, we cut it out from there. This is where the buckle has to be at this point here. So take note. So after cutting out the pattern, you take a straight line on your cardboard paper. Take a straight line on the cardboard paper. So we're going to place the counter on the line here. We're going to place it on the line. So take note of that. Place the counter on the line, then paste the pattern properly on the cardboard paper. So the next thing now, we're going to be adding our elastic allowance, and I'm going to be adding 1.5 inch in this case, 1.5 inch as the elastic allowance. So after that, you fold the cardboard paper from the center line, fold it into 2 equal parts. So after folding it into 2 equal parts, you now cut the pattern into shape. But before then, shake the pattern to make sure all the lines are intact. If not, use your pencil to make the corrections. So after that, we can now cut the pattern into shape. So you can see we are done with this part of the pattern. So this is the mark that shows where it's supposed to be inside. So you can see the mark. It shows where it's supposed to be inside. So let's put this on the pattern on the last and see how it looks. So you can see what we have here. Now we're going to cut a strap like this of the same width of here to here, 0.7 inch. So we're going to stitch it to this one at this point here. We're going to stitch here. So, and on the other side is where the buckle has to be. This is where our buckle will be placed at this point here. So take note. So let's move over to the next part of the pattern. So you see a straight line here. After taking a straight line, you can see the straight line here. Take another measurement from that straight line, 1 inch. 1 inch. And then you take a line from that measurement. So after that, take a straight line at the top here, cut it into shape, and then give it a curve at the end, at the two end here. So you can see the curves. Make sure the curves are uniform. So give it a curve here. Hope you can see that. So you're going to take a measurement from here down here, 1 inch. Remember the allowance we gave here on the cone. So you can reduce it if you wish to, but just take the measurement 1 inch. This is 1 inch here, and also you take a line at that point, and then remember the width of our buckle strap, 0.7 inch. You remember, so you put it here too, 0.7 inch. From here, 0.7 inch. That is where the buckle strap has to pass through. Take a line there too. So we're going to punch around these areas here and here. Oh, sorry, it has to be on the line. So we're punching here, 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 and here. So after that, we're going to cut it through, down like this, and this one too, down this place. The strap will now pass through. So we're going to take another measurement down here, from the both sides of the line. We're going to take 0.3 inch from both sides of the line towards the center. 0.3 inch. 0.3 inch. So you can see the measurements. See it. So now you place your tape on those measurements and make sure it rhymes with the line, the horizontal line here, this one here, and this one. Then you take a line, then do the same on the other side. So you can see that the next thing now is to cut it into shape. So you can see the holes. We have punched the holes. So the next thing now is to cut it down this way. You see the holes. So this is where the buckle strap has to pass through. So the buckle strap will pass from here and then come out from this part here. So this is where our buckle has to lie, on this part. So you can see we're done with the pattern. You can see how it looks. This is where the buckle has to fixed. So you can see it. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get update as soon as our next video drops. Have a nice day and I'll see you in our next video.